Hello students, for class 10 I am going to start through this video chapter 7 coordinate geometry, distance formula, distance between 2 points. Now first let us discuss what is meant by distance between 2 points. Distance between 2 points is the length of the shortest line segment. Distance between 2 points is the length of the shortest line segment. That is, if this is point A and this is point B, then distance between the 2 points means this shortest distance, this line segment. It should not be like this. It cannot be like this. Okay. Now there is a theorem. The distance between 2 points, say the 2 points having coordinates A, x1, y1 and B, x2, y2. Then the distance between the 2 points AB is given by AB is equal to under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now we are going to prove this one. This is done in this way. X dash OX is the x-axis and Y O Y dash is the y-axis. Let the 2 points are A and B. This is A having coordinates x1, y1 and B x2, y2. First, from the point A, draw perpendicular AC on x-axis and draw perpendicular BD on x-axis, and then draw perpendicular AL on BD. Thus what we get, this is a right angled triangle. This is a right angled triangle, that is ABL is a right angled triangle. Now since the abscissa of the point A is x1 and that of B is x2, that is this is x1 and this is x2, that is OC is x1 and OD is x2. Therefore what is CD? OD minus OC, that is x2 minus x1. So this is x2 minus x1 is this measurement. And ordinate AC for the point A is y1 and BD for the point B is y2. So BD is y2, AC is y1, means LD is y1. Therefore BL is y2 minus y1. Therefore this distance is y2 minus y1 and this is x2 minus x1. Now what we get? ABL is a right angled triangle, and in right angled triangle hypotenuse square, that is AB square, is equal to AL square plus BL square. That is AB square is equal to, now AL means CD, so CD square and BL square. Now AB square is equal to CD, CD means OD minus OC, that is OD minus OC whole square plus. Now BL means BD minus LD, so BD minus LD whole square. This implies AB square is equal to, now OD means x2 minus OC means x1, so x2 minus x1 whole square plus BD means y2 minus LD means y1, so y2 minus y1 whole square. Therefore obviously AB is equal to, when AB square is equal to this, then AB is equal to under the root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This result you must keep in mind, this result is known as the distance formula. Now, example, application of this distance formula. I am applying, giving one example how to find out the distance between 2 points. First, you keep in mind this formula. Example, find the distance between, say, point A, P sin alpha, comma, minus Q cos alpha. So this is x1 and this is y1. And the point B is minus P cos alpha, that is this is x2, and comma Q sin alpha, so this is y2. Now AB square, what is that? x2 minus x1 whole square and y2 minus y1 whole square. So x2 means minus P cos alpha minus x1 means P sin alpha whole square plus, then y2 means Q sin alpha minus y1 means minus Q cos alpha, so minus plus Q cos alpha whole square. Now a minus B whole square, so a square P square cos square alpha, B square P square sin square alpha. Okay, then minus 2ab, so minus 2 minus P cos alpha into P sin alpha, so minus plus 2P into P square sin alpha cos alpha plus, this is a plus B whole square, so a square, that is Q square sin square alpha plus B square Q square cos square alpha plus 2AB, so 2Q sin alpha into Q cos alpha, that is 2Q into Q square sin alpha cos alpha. Therefore AB square, now you see P square cos square alpha plus P square sin square alpha, so P square is common, then it is cos square alpha plus sin square alpha. Now what you know, cos square alpha plus sin square alpha is equal to 1, so it is only P square. Similarly, Q squared sin square alpha plus Q square cos square alpha, Q square common, sin square alpha plus cos square alpha, we know this value is 1, so this is only Q square, plus this is 2P squared sin alpha cos alpha, this is 2Q squared sin alpha cos square alpha, so 2 sin alpha cos alpha common, so 2 sin alpha cos alpha common, so what remains? P square plus Q square. Now from these two terms we have, this is common, so P square plus Q square, then 1, and here remains 2 sin alpha cos alpha. So what we get, AB is equal to under root of P square plus Q square, then bracket 1 plus 2 sin alpha cos alpha under the root. Now application of distance formula, that is the formula that we have learned. Now I want to show you some application of the distance formula. Now where will we apply this distance formula? For a triangle ABC, ABC, if we see that AB is not equal to BC is not equal to CA, that is all the three sides, measurement of all the three sides are different, then this is the scalene triangle. Number 2, if we see that AB is equal to BC or AB is equal to AC or BC is equal to AC, that is measurement of any two sides are equal, then this is an isosceles triangle, that is isosceles triangle. Number 3, if we see that AB is equal to BC is equal to CA or AC, that is all the sides, measurement of all the sides is equal, then this is an equilateral triangle. Now fourth point, if we see that AB square is equal to BC square plus AC square, that is square of any one side is equal to sum of squares of other two sides, then this is the right angle triangle. That is, if AB square is equal to BC square plus AC square, or BC square is equal to AC square plus AB square, or AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square, then this is the right angle triangle. Now fifth, suppose we are given this one, a quadrilateral. What kind of quadrilateral we want to determine this one? Say this is a B, C, D. First, if it is that AB is equal to DC, AB is equal to DC, that is CD, and AD is equal to BC, that is opposite sides are equal, then what is this? This is a parallelogram. If it is that AB is equal to CD, AD is equal to BC, that is opposite sides are equal, and at the same time the diagonals AC and BD are equal. If AC is equal to BD, the diagonals are equal, then that is a rectangle. So for a rectangle, AB is equal to CD, AD is equal to BC, and AC is equal to BD, then this is a rectangle. Similarly, if it is that AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to DA, there is measurement of all the sides are equal, then what is this? This is a rhombus. Now if it is that, if we are given that AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to DA and AC is equal to BD, that is diagonals are equal, then that is a square. So by using this distance formula, we can select the type of the triangle, the type of the quadrilateral. This is whether it is the scalene triangle or isosceles triangle or equilateral triangle or that is right angle triangle. Similarly, whether this quadrilateral is a parallelogram, some special kind of parallelogram, or a rectangle or a rhombus or a square can be determined by using this distance formula. Okay students.